pin that reaches out. Opposite side of the door just catches in this little groove. Hey folks, it's John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to look at a bathroom we just finished in Parkville. A couple features I want to show you. One of them is we used a pocket door here. You can notice how the pocket door works. You grab a little grip here. A neat thing about this pocket door is that when you close it, it actually has a soft close so that you bring it to a certain point like this and it just finishes the close on its own. I'm saying close is probably more to say open would be the right word to use. It does the same thing on the other side. You bring it to a certain point and it will actually close itself. This is a new vanity we put in here. The original vanity was only 30 inches tall, which is easier to use the sink without bending over. Let's flip around here and take a look at the shower door. It is a very popular finish right now, and I hope to see you again. Take